the smaller associations that don't have independent coverage, they would be nervous. And I think the second order effect here is we could see massive consolidation in our industry, right? Because these smaller associations that cannot afford to self-fund their own insurance coverage, they're going to have to look for a way to actually provide that coverage for themselves and their members. So mergers may be a big thing on the horizon. In 2023, they actually bought just 11,246 homes. Now, that's compared to 34,962 homes in 2022. Now, what they didn't share in their report, but I just did a little math. So I took their loss of $275 million divided by 11,246 homes, which they bought, and they lost an average of $14,699 per home. So I guess, you're losing money on the homes that you're buying. So I guess we should just do more of it.
What a great business model, Bruce. Hey, if you're ready to get your checkbook out, you can probably invest in this incredible model, right? Yeah, that's a tough hill to climb. This is not coming to an end anytime soon. There's a lot of questions still to be answered around how this shakes out and frankly, how it impacts the industry long-term, whether that's agents being paid differently or the average amount of commission changing that exists in the marketplace today, consolidation that may exist, just like you shared before, because some can't withstand the storm potentially. And there's still plenty of folks out there, Bruce, that really are pessimistic about this actually changing much in the way that things are done, right? I think there's those that argue that those people have their heads in the sand. I don't know that that's necessarily true, but sometimes we have such a buildup of news and headlines, and it doesn't always impact the fundamentals of how we do things as much as maybe we're fearful that it will. And sometimes it does. So here we are kind of in that space of, is this some dramatic disruption to the way we do business? Or is it just a dramatic disruption to the news cycle? Yeah. I don't know.